Welcome guys, today I am with SoundCore Liberty Air 2 Pro and I'm going to show you how you can enable LDAC codec. So the first you have to be connected with your application, and then you have to hit this settings gear icon in the right upper corner and then go for the sound mode. As you can see, in my case this option is available because I'm using the Asus Zenfone 7 Pro, and in this phone I can find the LDAC, the Bluetooth LDAC. So we have to click on this button, select the preferred audio quality, and right now the application is like switching modes and it takes around 10 seconds to restart with the earbuds, and right now you can use it. You are currently on the LDAC codec, and that's all for this video. That's how you can find it. So if you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.